Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to use some of the basic functions of the video editor if you have the deluxe package with ScreenCast-O-Matic. So I'm here at ScreenCastOMatic.com, and what I want to do is to do another recording. So I'm going to go to My Videos, and that will show me the Launch Recorder button. I'm going to go ahead and click the Launch Recorder button. Recorder's launched. You'll remember this from the last video. We want both. We've got full screen. I'm going to go ahead and auto adjust this microphone and see where it ends up taking me this time. Last time it seemed a little bit hot, but I think we'll go ahead and stay with that. And the rest of this looks good. I'm going to go ahead and click record. Now I'm going into my PowerPoint. I'm going to start this from this current slide, and I'm going to move my webcam down here. Then I might want to make a good edit point for myself, so sit and smile for a second. Okay, welcome to my lecture on getting ready to record a screen capture lecture. You want to think about hair, makeup, wardrobe, and set. So if you know you're going to be recording, do your hair. I mean, look, how glorious am I? If makeup is a thing for you and you want to make sure you have makeup on, then make sure you have makeup on. Wardrobe, if you want to be wearing a tie on that day whenever you're recording, go ahead and do that. And the set, look behind you, see what's there and what is distracting and what isn't. Okay, that's going to be the end of my lecture, and I'm going to pause and give myself another good edit point. All right, those edit points are important, so make sure you do them. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stop this recording. Done. And I'm going to go ahead and enter the video editor. Edit video. So here's my video. I can watch it. PowerPoint. I'm going to start this from this current slide. And I'm going to move my webcam down here. Then I might want to make a good edit point for myself, so sit and smile for a second. Okay, so this right here is my edit point. I put this in on purpose so I could find it easily. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and cut everything before that out. I'll do that by going to Tools and Cut. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut. There we go. So I had my edit point here, and I'm dragging this red line all the way to the beginning until this edit point. And I can preview this. Okay. And that seems pretty good to me. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Now I want to do the same thing at the end. So I'm going to move my timeline. Okay, that's going to be the end of my lecture. And I'm going to pause and give myself another good edit point. Okay, so that's my edit point there. I'm going to go ahead and add a cut. And let's drag this red all the way to the end. I'm going to drag this red a little bit further in. Let me preview that. Good enough for me. Okay. Alrighty then. There are some things you can do with your webcam. If you click on it, it gives you some different options. You can resize it, so you can make sure your face is more centered. You can crop it a little bit. And actually you can change the shape there. There is a style. You can do a shape. I've chosen this oval shape. You can also change the shadow. I'm good with that. And okay, I like it. I'm going to leave it like that. Okay. But also when you have your webcam, you can see all the edit points where you've added a webcam modification. And one of those edit points was deleted when we cut. So I'm going to have to add an edit point. And that's done with this +O. And then I'm going to drag it. Well, drag it over somewhere close to the beginning. Okay. I'm just going to move my webcam over here. Make it a little bit bigger. Let's see what happens. Lecture on... Okay, welcome to my lecture on getting ready to record a screen capture lecture. You want to think about hair, makeup, wardrobe, and set. All right, so that is some basic editing. We've trimmed the beginning and the end. So we're done editing. We're good. We can do some other things, and I'll show you some more tricks in a later video. But for now, we're done. I'm going to go ahead and click Done. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to upload that to a Google Drive and how to upload that to a YouTube channel directly without having to save to your hard drive at all. Okay, I'll see you in that later lecture.